So guys, Bitcoin continues to drop, even swept the low right here, and right now it's testing a major support like we have talked in yesterday's video, and we might be seeing that signal where we have been talking about, that reversal signal that can bounce Bitcoin into the next rally. Guys, we are going to have a look at that in today's video. We are as well going to have a look at some altcoins because our prediction of the Bitcoin dominance so far is playing out as well. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's jump into the Bitcoin price action. But before we are zooming in right here, guys, let's take with every single one of us 1 single minute, scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that is very much appreciated. Then for every single one of you who's not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, let's have a look at the price structure of Bitcoin right here. We have been talking about it quite often, right? Rising wedge pattern, broke out to the downside, broke below this support, right now testing this major support level. But like we've said in yesterday's video, we need a couple of things in the price of Bitcoin to happen in order to really start the next rally. And one of these things is a bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. And guys, right now it's actually looking like we could be forming that bullish divergence very, very soon. So in yesterday's video, I've said as well, guys, that we could be seeing the price sweeping the lows right here, making a lower low, while in the RSI we actually do the opposite. We are setting a higher low, which is a bullish divergence. And normally, guys, a bullish divergence in a bull market like we are seeing right now with Bitcoin is a very, very strong signal. So for example, right here, we had a bullish divergence and that blasted Bitcoin into this nice rally where we gained from the bottom to the top approximately 40%, a 40% rally. Right here we had a bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, which started a major rally in the Bitcoin price. Right here we had a bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, which started this major rally in the Bitcoin price. So guys, a confirmed bullish divergence right here is a very, very bullish sign, but it's not the only sign we want to see for Bitcoin to really say like, yeah, we are going to enter the next rally. There is another thing we can use, and that is a moving average on the daily time frame. So let's go to the daily time frame right here and let's bring out the 50-day moving average, and let me get rid of the drawings so you can see it more clearly, right? So right now we are trading below the 50-day moving average, and every time we did that in the past, we have seen the price action being quite choppy, going sideways. And yeah, we only started that rally in the Bitcoin price after we broke above the 50-day moving average. So right here we broke above the 50-day moving average. We got a nice rally to the upside, right? Right here we broke above the 50-day moving average. We got this major rally to the upside. Right here as well, broke above the 50-day moving average. Nice signal of a rally to the upside. So for the people who want to be more safe in this reversal, you could use these signs as well. So we have a bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, which is not yet confirmed, guys, but it is forming right now. And the second sign, if you want to be more safe, you can get a daily close above the 50-day moving average. But this is actually quite a nice setup, guys. It looks like Bitcoin is ending right now the correction, and we can see a bounce very soon, most likely even today or tomorrow in the Bitcoin price, combined with that bullish divergence, which most likely will bring the price of Bitcoin in a next rally, unless this divergence is being invalidated with sweeping the lows in the RSI. So that is important to realize, guys. Then guys, for every single one of you who is interested in longing Bitcoin right here or trading Bitcoin with leverage, right now there is a special bonus going on the Bybit exchange. And if you sign up using my affiliate link down below in the description or the pinned comment, you can get a bonus up to $1,600. So for every single trader out there who has not yet have an account on the Bybit exchange, right now is an awesome opportunity for you to take advantage of this major bonus, and yes, sign up with the link down below. Then guys, I want to go to the Bitcoin dominance, because we have been talking so much about the Bitcoin dominance, and we were on the verge of a major move, either a either a bounce in the Bitcoin dominance or a drop. And that drop would mean that we would see a crazy altcoin season like we have seen in 2017. Because if I were to scroll out on this chart, let me zoom out a little bit, then we can see that this 50% level, that is this green line right here, showing a lot of significance, right? Like it has been support right here in 2017, but the moment we broke below it, that was the end of the bull market in 2017 when Bitcoin topped out. Afterwards, we have seen a major crazy altcoin season. That was this move, this decline in the Bitcoin dominance. Right now, we were testing that level, and I was saying, guys, that I think that the chances are more likely that we are going to see a bounce right here. It's very unlikely for the Bitcoin dominance to just break below this level and to just see this crazy altcoin season after already such a decline in the dominance. If we test this level, it makes sense to first see a bounce before we are continue to decline right here. And right now it looks like we are seeing that bounce, guys. It also makes sense when we have a look at the momentum indicators, right? We are getting this nice divergence in the RSI, is as well visible on the 4-hour time frame. And yeah, right now we are just seeing that bounce in the Bitcoin dominance. The next major level that I'm watching is the level of 54%. It's possible to get a rejection at that level, but in the shorter term time frame, it shows that liquidity is going back, being concentrated in Bitcoin. And this is what we have been predicting, what we have been expecting, right? And what we've also said, which is quite significant, guys, is that once we are seeing that bounce in the Bitcoin dominance, that will come along with a move in the Bitcoin price. And that's either going to be a pump, because people don't want to miss out on gains, or it is going to be a dump, which is bringing uncertainty to the markets, which means that altcoins will bleed further than Bitcoin. So that's actually what we are seeing right now. If we have a go to Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative. So guys, if we have a look at Ethereum, then we can see that we've reached our first target. We broke above the middle of the channel, but we haven't reached the second target. Right now, Ethereum is just coming down, retracing, seeing a correction in the Bitcoin comparative, which makes a lot of sense, guys. After such a rally of 63%, it makes sense for Ethereum to come down right here and see a correction in the Bitcoin comparative. Now, if we have a look at Link in the Bitcoin comparative, we can see something similar. Link is coming down as well, also making a correction in the Bitcoin comparative. This all aligns with the Bitcoin dominance, which we have been expecting, right? So right now it is a good moment to start waiting for that bounce in the Bitcoin dominance and start to reaccumulate altcoins at cheaper prices. But okay, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis, guys. If you all enjoyed today's video, please make sure to scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. That is very much appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Then for all the traders out there who are willing to take the next step into their trading journey and really want to get a better understanding of these cryptocurrency markets, right now you can sign up for my cryptocurrency trading course. More information on the blockchaintoday.com. I have a link to my website down below in the description as well. Then for every single one of you who hasn't seen one of my awesome tutorials, you can go over there, watch one of those. I wish every one of you an awesome day ahead, and I will see every single one of you in the next video.